My name is Farisi, and I'm from Venezuela. I was born there, and I came here when I was like a year and a half. So I grew up most of my life here in South Florida, in Miami. My heritage, being Latinx, and that heritage means a lot to me just because like it is a part of me. And growing up, even though I grew up like here in South Florida, not in my home country, it's been in my whole family is Venezuelan. I get like they've taught me a lot. Like speaking Spanish, even itself is like such a great thing. Like knowing a second language and being able to connect with other Latino people, be able to speak to them and converse with them and figure out like different viewpoints of life, and just sharing that and having a sense of community. Like I love that. My hair texture is 3A, 3B for curl type, and I also regularly color and bleach my hair, so I know exactly what like girls with curls need for like moisture, for health, especially for people, and just for people who like dye their hair in general, like what products they would use to like maintain their color, maintain their health. My mother. She inspires me the most due to being such a powerful, independent woman, and she raised me all by herself, raised me and my two brothers all by herself, and I look up to her in terms of like how I want to be that independent and be able to carry myself.